Hi guys, well basically I was here the day before working on a FridgidAir. Initial call was no ignition for gas force furnace for the first floor. When I got here, I wasn't getting anything coming to the, well, let me say this, the igniter wasn't coming on. You'll hear in a second, this will click, the board, which then is supposed to send power. Here's the click, power to the igniter, and then if you see she's not glowing, and after a few seconds the gas valve will click and open and then shut off rather quickly because it's not detecting any flame. So I went ahead and I checked the power coming off of here, which goes to this Molex, and I have 120 actually coming. There's the gas valve. So I have 120 going to the fan inducer, which you can hear, which is these bottom two prongs or wires, and these upper ones. These upper ones go up to here. So I'm not getting any voltage out of this Molex or out of here. Apparently this is the replacement for the Nordine. And that's what this is. So we'll see if I'm right. Alright, so I got the new one wired in. And I haven't started it yet. I like surprises. Let's see if she works. Those only go in one direction. Hang on, let me just fix this. Nordine. Nothing visually wrong. We'll see. Not sure if we're still getting a call for heat. Guess not. Just jump it. Pretty nasty. Here's the click. There she goes. Take a step back. You never want to get rollout on your face. You never know. Yeah, baby. gentleman said that he initially thought it was the igniter again. Somebody was here last year and replaced the igniter and flame sensor, and he thought it was the same symptoms, which it was. It was not getting to that point. There's the blower motor. But that's the very first thing I checked was power, and sure enough, I wasn't getting power out of that board. So now we got heat. Alright guys, hope you liked. Please share, comment, and subscribe. G3, 4, 5, 6, M2, and M3 furnace models. That's it. And G6. This guy's due for an update. Whew. Click. Well, I turn it on and off a few times so the limit is tripped as far as the high limit at 150, which is good. But I dropped 20 degrees and inducer will come back on and go through its motions. Actually, the inducer's still on. Sorry. There we go. Now the blower's just on. It's a good thing to check these safeties out. Wouldn't be a really bad install. He's aware of it. I think it's from 1998. He's got one in the attic and one down here in the basement. Flue piping's good. Just waiting for it to start back up. Alright, let's try this again. Fan just blower just came up, went off. Limit is fine. Clicked. Oh, look at that. There's two broken igniters in there. Gotta clean all that junk out. Image. Alright guys, let me clean this thing up and get back home. Later. Alright YouTube. That wasn't anything special at all. Basically, it was igniter not getting proper voltage, control board being bad. I was here yesterday, and I actually got the call when I was on call on Sunday. Initially, today's Tuesday. I came Monday and diagnosed it and returned today with the proper board. No, I did not have that on my truck. Had to go to the supply house. I was here late Monday. I was just able to call the supply house and see if they had it in stock, which they did. So we picked it up this morning, and I returned it and do it. So I'm not surprised that limit tripped. For a couple of different reasons. I was turning on and off to check the ignition and everything like that. It was cool. It's been cool, but today it is 77 degrees. So the house is warm. The house is 77 degrees. And not much cool air going back. Air filter's fine. Coil's probably dirty. I can guarantee that. So I'm not really worried about that. Should be fine. So one of these days I want to go through the process of the circuit for hot air furnaces, with all the steps that it should go in order. There's two co-workers of mine that are new to the trade, and they've been asking me to go over it, so I'm just going to shoot a video possibly in the near future. We have a furnace coil and condenser that we use in the shop for a teaching tool. And my boss purchased a while ago, and it's pretty cool. Sometimes when it gets slow, we have a little class. One of us would booby trap it, and we have to figure out what's going on. So maybe I'll show something like that. But anyway, I'm just about to go home. So see you guys later.